how to enable or disable limit apps at home screen power saving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here, scroll down and click on battery. So after click on battery, so click on power sharing saving. So after click on power saving, so first of all turn on power saving and you will see limit app limit apps and home screen button is here. So if you want to enable limit app and home screen, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button you will see limit app and home screen is enabled. So if you want to disable limit app and home screen, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button you will see limit apps and home screen is disabled. So you will enable or disable limit apps and home screen from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable limit apps and home screen power sharing saving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.